I've retrieved the ball. Waiting dogs ready. Off the ball goes. Back the ball comes. You gonna do it? Donk. Oh, and I have to get it before it goes under the car. Dogs are fascinating creatures. Oh, she lost one. We've got the other one here. Here you go. And through the nose comes. Which makes working on cars 10 times longer than it should be, because this is far too entertaining. Oh, you're going to pass it over the top now. Okay, sorry. I'm wasting the internet. Bye. Hello, the YouTube. We're back. Today, we are going to try and repair my MR2. This is going to be hopefully a quick, short video, one take. This is one take. And dog is throwing ball again. Oh, it's under the car. God damn it. Go get another ball. So, morning, Bella. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be a quick one take video, but there it is. Quick, get the ball. Dogs, throw the ball. Right, anyway, so bits I've got. Bought one of this off of eBay. I've used this before, but I'll put just a sticker on this side and a sticker on the outside, inside. And what happened was the sticker on the outside fell off. That ball's gone. The sticker on the outside fell off, then the sticker on the inside fell off. So I'm actually going to try it different. It's going to look a bit crap, but it will mean hopefully it stays there. We also have the MC Hammer. You can't touch this because you'll find out why. So we're going to peel. I've got some duct tape on the inside here at the moment. Let's peel that off. There's the old Storm. Yeah, there you go. So this is how it is at the moment. So what I'm thinking, okay, let's see what we can do here. Right, what we can do, we can try this to hold you up. So it can hold you up, maybe? I don't know. Oh, no. Is that working? Up here, focus up. There you go. There you go, you're focusing. Right, okay. You're probably going to fall in a minute, but we'll see. So, we have a couple of big patches. I don't know how well you can focus. Let's move you somewhere else. I'll hold you. We'll do this one-handed. Right, here we go. So, there's instructions. You should read them. I'll put them there. Are they interesting at all? English. Oh, there you go. Here. I mean, I could read this, and it'll probably be perfect. What I'm actually going to do is what I've seen other people do, is I'm going to put a sticker on the inside to hold this together, and I'm going to get this gloop, and I'm going to blub on here, and then I'll get some more, because I got more just in case, because it's quite a big hole, because at the end of the day, I can't really make it any worse, and go from there. And we have the Monaro here, so we might be able to, oh my god, look at the flies on the Monaro. Bejeebers. Somehow I stopped filming because I'm an idiot. So there we go. Let's pick you. Right, there we go. Right. Should we zoom in a little bit? Let's go zooming in, sorry. Look at that. There you go. There's a little bit of zoomage in. There you go. That's what we're working with. You can see that. Right. I don't know how well you're going to hear me. So, I'm going to use this. I'm going to stick one there somewhere, like that. I'm going to get the other one and stick it on the inside. I've got this, put there, push against. So, see what happens. I might start at the bottom actually, that'll be easier. I've used this stuff before, it's pretty good. Let's get the bottom stuck. There. It's not going to be perfect, unfortunately, because it's a soft top. Get that, Something hard to push against. Make sure I didn't stick to anything else. Pull on the fan. There. I know I'm doing this after leaving. There's a fiver. What's the worst that can happen, eh? Here we go, and we're going to go there. We'll go like that. Pull that in. That. Do this. Do it better this time. This one's much better. Here we go. Ben says I need a microphone. I don't know how well you can hear me. Hello, Ben. There we go. So sticking there. Right. Scratch. Something like that. I don't know yet. Find out. See if I can fit this in. I'm going inside. Using this is something hard to push against because you can't touch this. There we go. So I know people are going to say, don't I care what it looks like? I do care what it looks like. I am actually in the stage of trying to make this car look better. But I need to buy a new roof because the roof is knackered. I would really like a mohair roof. And talking to Ben and other people, I really want to make this yellow. I want yellow, white wheels, because I love this look. I think it's cool. So look at that colour. I want that the same colour. And I'm going to wrap it, which will probably go terribly. So I just want this to last just for now, because roofs are not cheap and I don't have any money currently. So next thing we're going to do is apparently you put this stuff on, you glob it on lots, and then you can sand it down if you want to, but hoping it all bonds onto this. It says it does. Repairs almost everything. Directions: clean damaged area. If repairing a rip, add a layer, leaving 5mm access around the damage. If using two bonding things, apply one layer and press together. Keep flat, allowed and cure for 12 hours. So that basically means I'm going to do this and I'll be using that for today. It's no bad thing, is it? So let's do this again. Zoom you. Oh yeah, I didn't show you on the inside, did I? So on the inside now we have these, which give it a good press through, so that helps seal it up. But over time the weather attacks these and they peel off, I've found, which is why I'm going to stick some. And yes, it is black. Yes, I could have got clear, but like I say, 99% of the time I'm driving this, the roof is down, so it's not the end of the world. So what I need to do is fill the hole and either side of the hole. So let's try that. And no, it's not going to look pretty. I apologise, but hang on. There we go. See, look. There we go. Look at that. And he's bought a gimbal. I don't know what a gimbal is, but he's bought a gimbal to do his videoing with. There we go. Right. So wearing gloves because it's not supposed to be very nice stuff, and you have to use it in a well ventilated area. Right, I'm just going to fill this rip, I think. I hope it doesn't rain today. don't know what you can see and what you can't see. I don't know what you can hear. But see what happens, shall we? This might be just the right mount, actually. Sorry, I'm not talking, I'm concentrating. Right at the end, hopefully gonna make it look slightly neat. See that there. Down to the end of the rip. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look great, but honestly, there's a little bit out to do. Just the ends. Hopefully, stop it ripping anymore. Yeah, like that. Apparently, when it's done, it goes hard, but it's still flexible. Make it worse than the other. Same against the bottom. Just see the hood through, so do that. I mean, once it's done, I could do some more. Wow, there's a lot of clothes in that car. Right, let's put all of the rubbish in the glove as we take the glove off. There we go. Bloody mark. There we go, we're back. So we've done right the way to the end here. Go around. I can see a bit through the hood, but as I was trying to like smooth that bit out, it just pulled it around more. So what I would probably do is I'll probably leave that to dry, see what it's like, and then if need be, because it was quite a big hole, so I can always stick another bit on once this bit dries. So we'll see what that looks like. I might give it a couple of hours to dry off, and I might put a little bit more over the top, just to, I don't mind if it's got a bit of thickness to it. Everybody loves a little bit of thickness. And yeah, there you go. We're back. It's 24 hours later. Let's see how it done. Here it is. Yes, it looks like goopy. Oh, it's alright. Just feels, I don't know. It's fine. It's dry. It's feels quite flexible. Yes, I know it's not perfect. We had a little run here, which I've given a wipe. Now, do remember, this is all temporary. I would like to repair it, like get a new roof. I want a mohair roof, but I have a house to look after. I have 2 dogs. I have a wife to maintain. I have a daughter to maintain. I have a Monaro to maintain. So money only goes so far. So at some point, this will get a new roof. Mohair roof's like 800 or 900 quid. So that's going to be the option later off. And then you've got the Swansea roof, but that's like a year waiting list. So I don't want to have to put the hard top on it. So I just want to make it usable. So here's the big question. This could go entirely wrong because it's a little bit tacky. It might stick to itself, and then let's see how we go, shall we? Oh, so hang on. Put you somewhere somewhere. Are you going to sit there for me? Something like that? You going to? No? Maybe? Because of this shit, isn't I? There you go. Nice. See, I should think about all this beforehand. Oh, there you go. Right, here we go. That has to be pushed down. Push that down. There we go. I mean, it's down. And back up. Still there. Not done anything drastic. Oh. Bearing in mind this roof is now 20 years old. Yeah, that looks alright. This is a 20-year-old roof now. Yeah, it's got little tears down there, but don't worry about that one. And on the inside, the old stick stuff. Hopefully helps it. There we go. Right. Until next time. Ta-da! Bye-bye now.